What up? And welcome to Operation Murder It Out. So today I was able to ride the motorcycle. I was able to get Rochelle out on the road. In the last video I said I had a parasitic draw on the battery. I accidentally fixed that parasitic draw. I had a little security device on there that was draining the battery, so took that device off and the draw went away. So for the first time I was able to ride the bike today, and I was actually able to hear the exhaust the way I wanted to hear it. I also took out that centerpiece, that silencer or whatever. So I'll show you guys what it sounds like. I'm gonna do a before and after clip. So that was my before and after. I like how the factory exhaust sounds, but I like this exhaust way better. It's more aggressive, it's way louder, and people can definitely hear me. But that's it for this video, so thanks for watching and have a good day.